Today's challenge: drop water on a working PCB.
Humidity is one of the biggest challenges for pump controllers. Long-term humidity can cause leakage, false starts, false alarms, signal drift, and even equipment failure. Moisture can cause a phone screen to go black, a TV to fail to power on, and a LED display to flicker.
3S IP65 controller is built for tough water treatment sites. Today's challenge: drop water on a working PCB. Do you think the controller will still work?
A few moments later.
Before the test, the controller is running normally. If water drops on the PCB, can it still work? Now, the water drop challenge begins. Water drops onto the protected PCB surface. The controller keeps running normally, display normal, indicators normal, pump control normal. This is not luck. It is the result of 3S PCB protection process, ultrasonic cleaning, conformal coating, nano protection, 48-hour curing. Moisture-proof PCB helps prevent hidden faults in unmanned pump stations. From enclosure material to structure design and PCB protection, every detail is built for stable field operation. Even in 95% relative humidity, it handles it with ease.
Unmanned pump control, choose 3S.